Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Now you can pick this up at Samsung.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, TGH. And if you don't know what that means, that's too goddamn high. But you know the old saying, you got to pay to play, so let's play. Now if you pick this phone up, it's going to run you $2,000. Take my advice. Bring your own Vaseline. That comes in two different colors. You got Space Silver and Cosmos Black. You can run it directly on AT&T, or you can buy it unlocked and run it on any carrier you want. All right, so let's go through the main specs that you need to know. You got two displays. The front screen, 4.6-inch AMOLED panel with a resolution of 720 by 1680. And on your main screen, 7.3-inch dynamic AMOLED with a resolution of 1536 by 2152. Now that's 362 for the PPI Patrol. You got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor with the Adreno 640 GPU. What does that mean? Flagship specs, bro. Flagship specs. Now it's running Android 9 VIP with Samsung One UI skin on top. You got 12 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage, and no micro SD card slot for expandable memory. You got a 4,380 milliamp battery that features 15-watt fast charging, 15-watt wireless charging, and 9-watt reverse wireless charging, also known as power share. Now you got 6 cameras, 3 on the back, 2 on the main, 1 on the front. You got Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, USB Type-C charging, fingerprint sensor, dual speakers, and the best part about this phone, it folds up. Now look, I know what y'all saying. You already seen the epic launch failure. You seen the recall. You seen all the reviewers break it already. You seen the durability test. You know how fragile it is. Why the fuck would anybody buy this phone for $2,000? One word and one word only. Flex. You buying this phone to flex. This is not going to be your daily driver. It's not dust proof. It's not water resistant. You can't press hard on the screen. You can't even touch the screen with a fingernail. It's super delicate. You cannot rock this every day. All right, so if you're going to buy this phone, you better have another phone for daily use. Buy this phone to flex, because this has the ultimate flex factor. All right, so let's unbox it and see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my
White shoes, wherever you at, calm down. All right, here we go. Samsung Galaxy Fold. Got the little unboxing knife on deck. Let's get busy. Rah. One more. Rah. Okay. So far, we got a nice presentation alert. Okay. Let's see what this is. Okay, so this slides right out. Oh, okay. Shoes back in the building. Hi, Shoes. Calm down. All right, here we go. Galaxy Fold. Once you open it up, you got your care instructions. All right, do not press the screen with a hard, sharp object such as a pen, a fingernail, or apply excessive pressure. So you can't use an S Pen on this. You can't use your fingernail. Can't do nothing. Just touch it soft. When folding the device, do not place any objects such as cards, coins, or keys on the screen. All right, that's pretty much self-explanatory. This device is not water or dust resistant. Do not expose to liquids or small particles. Now look, if you're going to be rocking this raw dog in your pocket, you might want to get an old school pouch. That's what I'm looking for right now. Do not attach any adhesives such as films or stickers to the main screen or remove the top protective layer. All right, so that means do not peel off the screen. I know. Your device contains magnets. I basically don't have this by your credit cards because the magnets are super strong. All right, let's see. Got a little welcome note. Welcome to the future. Pluck it, file it to the side. Now you get your Galaxy Fold Premier service. All right, so you got 24-hour fold concierge. You got 1 year screen replacement offer. All right, now it's gonna cost you $150 if you damage the screen, but you got a whole year to play with it and get one free beatage. Let's see more details. Blah blah blah. Let me save that. All right, let me save that because I'm gonna need that. I need that 24-hour service. Let's see what you get in here now. Now this is gonna be your case. Okay, so you got a SIM ejection tool. This is your carbon fiber-ish Kevlar style case. Okay, looks bulletproof right there. Directions, usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. AT&T SIM card. Let's see anything else in here. All right, more books and shit. Let's keep it moving. Next up, What do we got in here? This should be your, let's see, ear tips. Okay, so different size ear tips. USB Type-C charging cable. 15-watt fast charging brick. Got an OTG. And check this out. All right, Apple, this is how you're supposed to do it. We get a free set of Samsung Galaxy Buds. Now, y'all seen me review these a bunch of times already. I did a comparison and a full review. These are going to run you about 130 to 140 bucks, depending on where you buy them from. These are some of my favorite earbuds. But notice how they free in the box. You just dropped 2,000 bucks. You already got your Vaseline. This is also going to help. So get some Vaseline, and this will help also. All right, so that's pretty much it. Now for the device itself, shoes, I need you to scoop. Let's see how we get this off. Now, this is my first time actually holding this in hand. Let me peel this stick off the back. Let me get a little wipe down. Shout out to Samsung. You know they didn't send me this to review earlier because I would have broke this shit. This looks sick. Now, this is my first time folding it. Okay, matter of fact, let me do the smell test on this one. This one smells like the future right here. Right? This is dope. Right out of the box, I will say this. It does have an ultra heavy weight. Now, like I said, this is my first time holding it in hand. I didn't think it was going to be this narrow. This phone is super thin. Thin as in narrow. Matter of fact, let me pull out. Here's a Galaxy Note 10. And here's the fold. Look at this. Super thin. Now, when you unfold it, yeah, now you see the difference. All right, let's see. On one side, you got your fingerprint sensor built into the power button. Or is it? No, fingerprint sensor on the side. Then you got a power button. You got volume up and down. Let's see if we got any juice. All right, there it is. Galaxy Fold. Cameras on the front. 3 cameras on the back. One more on this one. Here's your front screen. All right, now this front screen is going to be extra narrow. Okay. Has a nice feel to it when it folds. I'm trying to contain my excitement, but I am pretty much hype. All right, look at this. Let's see the load up. All right, now look how small this is. Open your phone to get started. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. All right, I'm going to pause the video. Let me drop all my information in, set everything up. Then we'll breeze through the OS. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I just put my information in the phone, got everything all set up. And I'm going to be honest with y'all. This phone is so fucking sick. I'm already in love with it. Now, check this out. If you like me, you never seen this phone in person or you never held it. You just watched a bunch of videos, you read a bunch of articles, and everybody's saying the same thing. This phone is mad big and it's very fragile. But after using it in person, it's really not that big. And of course, we all seen the durability test. You know the actual display is pretty fragile, but the phone itself is solid. All right, this phone is very solid. It has an excellent weight to it. Y'all know I gotta say it. Feels so good in the hands. Ladies, you know the procedures. Now, I was kind of worried, my heavy-handed ass, the way everybody making it seem like I was gonna break this display in 5 minutes. But I've been using it for a few minutes. Let me turn it on for y'all real quick. The way I was feeling like, damn, you can't even touch it. I thought I was gonna break it, but I've been playing with it, been going crazy, typing mad hard on it. This phone is so sick. Now look, you see that line down the middle? If you're really gunning for it, you're gonna see it. But when you start using apps, let's take it over to Facebook. Let me log in real quick. When you start using it, you're not even gonna notice. Let me autofill, get a little login. You're not gonna notice this line at all. It's really gonna disappear from your regular eyesight in less than a minute. Like right now, I can't see it. Now, if I hold the phone at an angle like this, I can see it a little bit. But this is incredible. All right, if you think about it, if you're holding a phone like this, it seems like it just came like this. It doesn't look like you could just fold this up. This is unbelievable, man. This is what we all been waiting for. Innovation, new tech. Now, I'm going to keep it real. I don't like how thin this is in the front. And this first screen, the first screen is really just if you're somewhere where you don't want to open your phone up, you know, you don't want to get it wet, you don't want some dust to fly in here, you just don't really have to open it. Maybe you just want to take a quick picture, bang, right to the camera, do your thing. Now, you can also just head over to some apps. Let's take it over to Instagram. All right, so here's Instagram. So if I want to, I could just browse Instagram until I see something I really want to see. Let's keep scrolling down. Okay, let's see. Now say I want to take a picture. All right, my man got the dog with the beer. If I want to see it, matter of fact, let's go to my page. I'll pull up something dope. I know. Let's see. All right, say I want to take a look at that foldable phone. If I want to see it, foldable phone. Not the foldable phone, the two-sided phone. Bang, opens right up. Now look how Instagram looks on this phone. This is sick. And like I said, I thought it was going to be a lot bigger, like I wouldn't be able to hold it in one hand. I can easily grip this in one hand. Granted, I do got big hands, but I can rock this in one hand all day. It doesn't feel like it's getting ready to fall out. I'm flowing on the gram just like this. This is so sick. Exit out of that. Now let's go to this ain't gonna be a full review. This is just I'll just go through some apps real quick. Swipe over. Let's do some multitasking. All right, so we got Facebook. I get full screen. Matter of fact, I did that wrong. I know, let me calm down. All right, let's go to internet. All right, there it is. All right, so we got apple.com on one side. Open up YouTube. Drop a video. And let's see. Let's pull up Facebook on the bottom now. There's Apple, Facebook, and we can get YouTube. Slide out of that. Bang. Slide out of that. Bang. Now let's take a look at this YouTube display. Look at this. All right, come on, bro. Look at this. You hear them speakers? I know. This is dope. Now, like I said, the way everybody makes it sound like you got to baby the screen. You can't even touch it. It's not that serious. All right? You can actually touch it. I was scared to play a game on it because, like I said, I got heavy hands. I'm thinking I'm going to get into the game mad hard and just break the screen in half. It's not as delicate as everybody's making it seem. Now, you got your face unlock. Bang. You got your fingerprint sensor on the side. Bang. And like I said, you could use everything from the front screen or pop it right open. Let's take it over to the camera. Now this is sick. This is basically your Galaxy Note 10 Plus without the S Pen. So basically like your Galaxy S10. All of the same camera features. You got your wide angle lens, ultra wide. You got live focus, super slow motion. All your camera angles are good. Shoes came right on time. All right, your shoes. Let me get a picture. All right, here we go. All right, got a picture of shoes real quick. Let's see how that came out. Look at that. This is so dope. Oh, now let's try this now. Let's try this. Let's close it up. I stay like that, shoes. Stay just like that. All right, let's swipe up. Let's go to camera. Got some pictures right there. Let's see if I can view it from right here. Bang, there it is. Oh, I got to do a full video on this one. Let's drop this case on real quick. Let's see. This is going to be for the back. Okay, that snaps right into place. I guess this will be for the front. That'll snap right into place. Okay, so you got your... Let's open this up. Kevlar status case. I'm definitely going to finesse this case. I know. I'm having way too much fun. Back to the gram. Let's see how it look. Matter of fact, did I hit home? All right, this is gonna be your Instagram scroll. God damn, this is gonna be your Instagram scrolling experience. I know. Y'all see how I do. Fold it back up, drop it right in your pocket. Now the main thing that I gotta worry about with this phone is everybody saying you can't let dust creep up in here. So when you drop this in your pocket, that's when you're gonna have that opportunity for dust and lint to drop in here. So what I'm thinking is I gotta find a little pouch. I could drop this in a pouch, then I could go a little bit more hard with it. But if you're gonna rock it raw dog like this, you might even want to go old school and just to be safe. Yo, this is $2,000. I know. Just to be safe, you might want to do like this when you put it in your bag. You know what I'm saying? You got to do what you got to do. Make sure you get insurance on this phone. That face unlock is nice and fast. Let's see. Can I flip? Now, you really can't open this with one hand. You probably could. Let's see. Now, you're really going to need two hands to flip this, though. But it locks right into place. Now, when I do the full review, I'll try some gaming. I'll do all my other testing that I do. You already know the camera's going to be sick. You already know multitasking is going to be sick. Basically, this is just going to be all around sick. $2,000. Basically, nobody can outflex you. All right, when you pull this out, you James Bond. I don't care what check anybody else got on the set. When you pull this out, you're James Bond. They're James Bond cousin, Ernest Bond. All right, you the number one dude when you pull this out. The flex factor on this. Even that flip phone that I had the other day, that ain't touching this. All right, that ain't touching this at all. Matter of fact, let's get a little wipe down. Now check this out. I'm being extra gentle with the display, because it doesn't really keep that kind of smudges where you got to be wiping it down like your Galaxy. A little wipe like that, that'll get rid of the dust particles. Just hit it from the bottom, fold it right up. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major, 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 major go. The Samsung Galaxy Fold. Like I said, this is the flex foam right here. All right, if you're all about that flex life, you need to check one of these out. Woo! Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this, and let me know if there's anything specific y'all want me to cover when I do the full video, and I'll make sure I get into that. All right, so one more thing. Now, my homeboy just texted me, and he said my dumbass is guaranteed to break this phone in 1 week. Now, I think I'm going to have this for a long time, but what do y'all think? How long do y'all think it's going to take me to break this phone? And like I said, I'm trying to keep it for the duration, but everybody's saying it's fragile. Everybody's saying it's got a lot of bugs and it's got a lot of issues. What do y'all think? How long before I break this phone? Leave it in the comments. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize. All right, check this out. Now you can have the phone halfway open and use it as a stand and take videos like that. This is so sick. Let's see how it came out. Open it up. Play the video. Take videos like that. Woo! This is hard. Let's go.